Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pom-pom headband with bows with the help of my Cricut maker. Now I'm going to do my very best to link as many things as possible in the description. I do use quite a lot of supplies in this video. All of these gorgeous glitter sheets, they actually came together with a sort of like make your own earring set. So yeah, you guys really definitely need to check that out. Also, elasticated pom-poms for the win. Yes, please. This makes your life so much easier. You could put 10 pom-poms on a headband if you wanted to using this method. But just make sure that, of course, you fluff them out with a hairdryer or with a fan so we don't get any sad pom-poms. Now, you need to grab yourself an Alice band. I like to go for the ones that have about 2 centimeters of width, and then you just gently stretch the pom-pom over the headband, and then pretty much that's it, it's done. That is if you want to just stop there. You could, but I think we can go a little bit further. So let's go to Design Space. Now, as you guys will know, I'm actually quite new to Cricut, so I have been following Jennifer Maker here on YouTube. She is absolutely incredible. I highly recommend her channel. I'll link it down below. She likes to give away a lot of free patterns for you to use. So I'm using some of her bows here. Do remember though to use different colors for different fabrics when you are sorting it all out on Design Space. There are loads of different fabrics to choose from on here. I went for the faux leather paper thin version. I initially did a default pressure, but as you can see, it starts to lift already, and I should have used a stronger mat, and I should probably have taped it down, and I should have added more pressure. So yeah, please don't make my mistake, because honey, this was a hot mess. yeah, just don't do that. So we take what we have learnt and yeah, we get a brayer and we roll the hell out of the fabric to make sure that it is stuck down onto the mat, and we tape up the sides, but don't go over the edge of the mat though, because it might not run smoothly through the Cricut machine. Yeah, praying to the Cricut gods of course is optional, but it does help, because in 3, 2, 1, shazam! Thank you, ma'am. We finally have a set of bows. I was so relieved, because this was the only pink sparkly fabric that I had. So yeah, it had to work. If you are enjoying my Cricut journey, I would love to know. Please feel free to tap the like button, because that gives me a great heads up, and then I'll be able to create more Cricut content for you. Gosh, that was a mouthful. So now that all the pieces have been nicely cut out, it's time to say hello to my little friend, okay? We have a rechargeable cordless glue pen, and it is perfect for tiny little crafts like this. I've taken this thing outside on picnics and, you know, made miniature hats in the grass with this amazing little tool. I absolutely love it, and it's great for me because I have issues with my joints in my hands, so sometimes pulling like the trigger of a glue gun can be a little bit stressful for me. So having something like this really helps. I will leave a link in the description for this as well, definitely. But yeah, I really had a lot of fun actually putting these bows together, because that's when you see it really start to take shape, and then you start to feel quite proud actually. I mean, look at that. That is so adorable. So these little headbands, they're actually for my friend Mia, and she is a massive fan of Sanrio, and she wanted to have one of them My Melody themed and the other one Cinnamoroll themed. So I decided to make Cinnamoroll's bow smaller, because, you know, he's a little gentleman. He would have something small and cute, and My Melody, well, she's just extra, so so she had to definitely have the bigger bow. But I really enjoyed experimenting with the layering on this. As you can see on the pink one, we have the white at the back, and on the blue we have the white in the middle, and I think it really works. The great thing about having these attached to hair clips is that they are so easy to take on and take off, but also They're easy to actually just wear in your hair as hair clips. So we have a multifunctional hair piece right here. Now, don't worry, it's a wig. There'll be no germs transferred, okay? But I had to try them on to make sure that the pom-poms were in the right place. But how super duper cute are these? Come on. If you enjoyed this video as much as I did, then please do share it out with a friend. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.